Add expires headers to WordPress to leverage browser caching. Hey, it's also here continuing with the WordPress speed optimization series. Make sure you check out all the videos in the playlist because each one is a tip to help you optimize your WordPress website. Now this video is all about adding expires headers. This is a small thing that can give your WordPress website a nice little boost. Generally, when you use any of the popular website speed testing tools, you'll see the advice to leverage browser caching in order to improve the performance of the website. Well, you do that by adding expires headers. Now, you can add expires headers to WordPress without using a plugin by pasting a bit of code to your htaccess file. Before you do that, please back up that htaccess file because that could well blitz your website. Now I'll put the code in the description below this video so you can copy and paste that to your htaccess file if you want to add expires headers without using a plugin. If you want to see me do that first, then I will put a link in the description below this video to another video where I show you how I log into cPanel, how I locate my htaccess file, and where exactly I paste that code. But that's not the only way to do this. The other way is to use a plugin. Now the downside of using a plugin is that you're increasing the footprint. You're adding more data to the website. Now in the past I've always taken care of my add expires headers with a bit of code, but this time around I chose to use a plugin. The plugin is called Add Expires Headers and it's light enough to keep that footprint small, so I'm happy with that. The reason I chose to use a plugin this time round is because I tend to forget about the code in the htaccess file once the expiry date has been reached and passed. Okay, so let's take a look at the plugin. You'll see the top section, Add Expires Headers main options. You can see that I have the Enable Expires Headers checkbox ticked, as well as the Disable e-tags and Enable gzip compression. You'll notice the next section is your media settings, and here is when you set the expiry time. As you can see, I only check the media that I actually use and I ignore the rest. And finally, there is a section for CSS and JavaScript where you can set the expiry time for those. So that's how you add expires headers to WordPress. It's something that I always do when I'm optimizing my websites. It can definitely help boost your WordPress performance. Okay, so let's hop on to the next video, which you can now see on your screen. Click it and I'll see you there.